race of the rivers. Okay, race of the rivers. Okay, so a natural stream of water, a natural stream of water flowing in a channel to another larger water body is called a river. Okay, so a natural stream of water, এটা ଗୋଟେ stream ঝরଣା, flowing in a channel, ଯାଉଛି ଗୋଟେ channel to another larger water body. Okay, this is another larger water body. Who is the larger water body? Sea. Yes or no? It's called a river. Rivers generally originate in hills or mountains and flow towards the ocean. Okay, they are essential to human life as they provide us with the food, water, and transportation. Okay, so they are essential to human life. Okay, so human life ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ସେମାନେ କୋଉଟା river is essential. Why? As they provide us with food. How they provide us with food? How they provide us with food? By giving fish, etc. And they are available in the river. Understood? Water. We get water from the river, drinking water, and transportation. Okay? In the river also, we can move from one place to another easily. Okay? By just making a boat. Yes or no? Study the words used to refer to parts of a river and label the diagram. So you have to label this diagram. Okay? Source. Where is the source? Which one is the waterfall? Which one is the Mindor? Okay? A place where a river curves and bends. Okay, bends. These are the Mindor. Then bank. Okay, the side of a river and the land near to it. Okay, delta. Delta is an area of land shaped like a triangle. Okay, this is the delta. Yes or no? So shaped like a triangle. Okay, delta. Where river has split into several smaller rivers. Smaller river. Mouth, the place where the river joins the sea. No, sea where it joins here. Okay, this is the mouth. Right? Or you can say this one is the mouth. Clear? So, race of the rivers. So, this one is telling about the river. How all early civilizations developed along major rivers. All civilizations developed along major rivers. Okay. As a result, there are several tales about how rivers originated. Okay. Let us read a Khasi tale about how two rivers came to be. Okay. Khasi tale. Right? Khasi means a language spoken chiefly in Meghalaya by Khasi people. Okay. Khasi language. Okay. Khasi tale. So this story is of Meghalaya people. Okay. How two rivers came to be. Understood? How they originated. How they were created. Understood? Once when the earth was young and green, the animals could still talk to humans. Okay, Earth was young and green. Okay, huh? That means in the beginning, animals could still talk to humans. Animals and humans. Humans means what? We are talking to each other. Hello? There lived two sisters, Ka-I, Ka-U, Ka-I and Ka-Got. Okay? I-U. I-U. Okay? Ka-I-U and Ka-Got. They were daughters of a powerful god, Yulei Silong, who ruled from the top of Lom Silong. Lom Silong was what? The highest point in Khasi Hills, from which the city of Shillong gets its name. Okay, Lom Silong is the highest point. Okay, that means like Everest is the highest point in the Himalayas. So like that, Lom Silong, yes, is the highest point in the Khasi Hills, right? Hills, right? Khasi Hills, that like that hill. The highest point in the Khasi Hills, from which city of Shillong gets its name. So from the Lom Silong, Shillong name comes. Understood? So they were daughters of a powerful god Yulei Silong, who ruled from top of a Lom Silong, in the top of that hills. Okay, so he was the ruling, he was the king. Understood? All day long, the sisters played with each other. In summer, they were hot and tired. When they were hot and tired, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖେଳୁଥିଲେ, yes or no? So ଯେତେବେଳେ they were hot and tired, they paddled in the shallows, okay, of singing streams. Some streams were there, okay, which was told to be singing. So in that singing streams, they paddled in the shallows. Shallow means what? You know what is shallow? Shallow means that is you cannot. That is not more deeper, right? बेसी खाल नुह है तो से पैडल करुले एमती मजारे करती गोड़ मारती इन स्प्रिंग दे स्वाम विथ the okay salinai fish in the dancing streams. Okay, so salinai fish is another type of fish which was living there. They were playing with those fishes, right? Those fish. Okay, they are playing in the dancing streams. There are many streams in the top of the hill. When the grass grew tall, you could hear them laughing and screaming as they played hide and seek with each other. Okay, when the grass grew tall, you could hear them laughing and screaming. Screaming, you know, to shout. Okay, screaming means what? To shout. As they played hide and seek. You are playing also hide and seek. अरे लुच्चकाली खेलुच ना नहीं? When they played hide and seek, when the grass grew tall. Okay? Grass पत्थर से लुच्ची जी. Listen no. When the grass grew tall, you could hear them laughing and screaming as they played hide and seek. When they catch somebody, okay, the thief, they will laugh. Listen no. Otherwise they will be quiet. Caillou, the older one, okay, would climb quickly up the leafy branches of the chestnut tree. There was a tree, and he would go up, climb up, okay, climb up. Yes or no? She would, rather she would, both her sisters, and then jump down on her sister all of a sudden. So from the top he will jump down. Okay. And okay, my okay. So the second one, two daughters were there, no? Two sisters, and so mine was not she strong? She could run as fast as any seer. Okay, seer means pronounced to seer actually, not seer, seer. A red deer which is found in the Khasi Hills. So, and mine wasn't she strong? She could run as fast as any seer. So, she could also run as fast as any seer. Seer that hid among the so, and mine wasn't she doing strong? She could run as fast as any seer that hid among the rhododendrons. Rhododendrons means bushes with large red, purple, pink or white flowers. So rhododendrons that hid among the rhododendrons in the bushes like the okay red deer hides ଯେମିତି ଲୁଚି ଯାଏ ଇଏ ବି ସେମିତି ଦୌଡ଼ିକିରି ଲୁଚିଯିବ ହେଲା and the wild tea bushes on the hill slopes. Wild tea bushes. There are also tea, ଚା ଗଛ, ଚା ବୁଦା ସବୁ ଅଛି. Okay? ସେଠି ବି ଯାଇକି ଲୁଚିଯିବ. କିଏ? This girl. ତରତର ଅଛ କି? ତରତର ଅଛ କି? ଆଚ୍ଛା. ଆଉ ଡାକି ଆଣ ତାକୁ ଡାକି. Cagot was the dreamy one. Cagot is the dreamy one. That is the little sister. Okay, sometimes she loved to just sit by herself and wonder about the faraway places. She would do sometimes she would just look away and see how beautiful the land is. Okay, she saw from the so she would look at about the far away and saw the hilltop. One day, as they played in the sun, Caillou ran higher and higher up the hill. Okay, so they played in the sun. Both of them were playing in the sun. So, Cagot was the dreamy one. Sometimes she loved to just sit by herself and wonder about the faraway places she saw from the hilltop. So she would look outside. One day, as they played in the sun, Caillou ran higher and higher up the hill. ଉପରକୁ ପଳେଇଲା ହେଲା just they were playing in the morning. Don't run so fast, sister, you. Okay, so who told? Cagot panted, ଡାକିଲା. Okay, panted behind ତା ପଛରେ ଡାକିଲା, wait please, don't go so. Yes, but Caillou said, hurry, slow coach. ତାକୁ ସେ ଡାକୁଥିଲା ସ୍ଲୋ କର ସେ କହୁଥିଲା नो hurry up yes she waited for Kagat and they climbed higher than ever before right up to the okay Shillong peak से दी जन जाक पळेले ये ता पछ पछ ये आगे आगे ओके big sister in the front and little sister in the back they went to the Shillong peak from there they looked down dekhile below them shining in the sparkling sun were the distant plains of okay Sylhet a region in Bangladesh just south of Meghalaya okay Bangladesh se jaga ta okay this region is in the Bangladesh south of Meghalaya what they saw shining in the sparkling sun were distant plains of Sylhet jaga guda se dekhile okay plain jaga hela समतल jaga पूरा plain ओके किसी आउ नहीं कौन पहाड़ पहाड़ किसी नहीं ओके नो माउंटेन ओके come down it seemed to call them okay that place was calling them come down right it seemed to call them in that place okay that Sylhet let's race down to see who reaches there fast so they were making a race so they told let's race down हमें चलो दौड़ियो said Caillou do you think we can ହେଲା do you think we should Kagat hesitated Kagat to be slow okay से hesitate करी कहला से ଟିକେ कुंठा बोल गला से ଟିକେ मंगिलानी कहला do you think we can हमें तळକୁ जाय करिया yes we can say yes we should don't be such a coward कहला ऐसे coward होना ऐसे भीरू होना ऐसे डरपोक होना okay sister laughed Caillou Kagat didn't know what to say Kagat तो ता पछपजे जीवो I'll meet you down there in those green plains and I shall get there before you wait and see I know I will okay become a river and then dash down dash down okay the cozy wait and see I know I will become a river and dash down माने बोही भी तळକୁ dash down right so nothing can stop me then cried Caillou actually Caillou said I will become a river okay impatient Caillou couldn't wait down the slope she rushed means she ran okay slope से गडानी रे down the slope से cried माने से बोला nothing can हाँ cried अच्छा okay underline टा तू करिबु ता परे Kagat had no choice but to join in the race से भी ता पछरे दौड़िला okay sir Caillou sang as she walked down steep ravines okay walked down steep ravines okay से जो ravines पहाड़ रो हला ता देगिरी जाउतला हला हैं से कोन कला she walked down jumping over sharp pebbles तापरे डें देगिरी and bubbling down as waterfalls okay तळगु से गला okay waterfall है कि गला ये भी है कि गला से ओरे नई है गला she became a river she played hide and seek with the खास of fish संगे भी से कला hide and seek as if she were still up on the hills with her sister okay so now her sister is not there she played with the khas of fish understood as she was doing with her sister but then it got harder she had to dig through the giant rocks. Means rocks came in the rocks आसला आगे सब rocks बड़ बड़ giant rocks बड़ बड़ rock पत्थर खंड आसला ହେଲା. She lost her way among the hills and ravines and had to tunnel through बुलिला. Okay, through them. ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କଣା କରିକି ଗଲା ହେଲା. Tunnels to them to find her way all over again. Okay, पुଣି तो से जीव ना तळକୁ ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ ଯିବ. It seemed that she was not getting any closer to Silhead at all. କିନ୍ତୁ Silhead ପାଖକୁ ଆଉ ଯାଇ ପାରିଲାନି. ସେ ତ ବଞ୍ଚିଗଲା ଆଉ ହେଲା କାରଣ ସେ ତାର ବୁଲିକିରି ଯିବ ନା ଟନେଲ ସେ ତାର ବୁଲିକି ଯିବ. He had to tunnel through them. ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଆଜ୍ଞା. It seemed that she was not getting any closer to Silhead. Silhead पाखु से जाई करनी से याडे बुलिला. Ka got to flowed down as a river but followed the gentler slopes. ये आराम बाटरे गला ये पूरा ये बाटरे गला कोथरे पहाड़ बाटे से गला आराम बाटरे के का गॉट हला इन द ईस्ट से ईस्ट को पळेला. Meandering southwards. Meandering means curving. से बुलिला southwards को से बुली गला बुझिपारले से भलो बाटरे गला. She slowed down to see bulbuls से ଟିକେ स्लो हो गला मझिरे देखला कोन bulbuls देखला building their nests. She waited quietly for a bear to lead her cub across to the other bank. Okay. So she waited quietly for a bear to lead her cub across to other bank. से एमती रही गला है गोटे बियर नौला तार कब मानू छुआ मानू. ओके. The green glades that she passed to fill her ears with the sweetest song of her woods. सेठी जो भी सब ग्रीन ग्लेड्स जो से सब घास ये पाइला से भी सब गीत गाई मारली देखिया है तेणु से भी कौन कले गीत गाई शुणी. She looked around for her sister. खोजिला ता सिस्टर को. Had she not reached? She wondered in surprise. Was she hiding? पूरे हाइड करती की हैला बुझिपाला ना नहीं. Sister, you called the gentle car god. Where are you? She expected Caillou to suddenly burst down and surprise her. से भाविला कि से आइबो मो आगे छिडा आइबो मते सरप्राइज दबो. ओके. But she did not come. You did not come. Okay. Worried, Ka got turned around and flowed back in search of her sister. सेठू पुणी बुलिला हैला. Hassis living in the hills looked down and saw her glittering in the gleaming sun. So how she is glittering, how she is चकमक करची हैला glittering. Okay, to shine चकमक करंती. ग्लीमिंग सन ने ग्लीम जो दउची सन जो किरण दउची हैला रे दउनी सन. Caillou heard her sister call. She looked down and saw her sister spreading herself leisurely over the plains. एटा होची Caillou. से देखला केमिति सिस्टर छोटो सिस्टर से धीरे धीरे जाउची. She couldn't believe she had lost. Okay, pretending not to care. हैला she rushed on. से तो pretending माने मिछमिछुगा हैला not to care. She rushed on. से दौड़ी चलला. Tripping over the rocks. Okay, that split her into 5 streams. Okay, ताकू एटू 5टा स्ट्रीम हे गला से डिवाइड हे गला और 5 swift streams joined Kagod's gentle waters, and together the two sisters flowed on. Okay, or 5 swift streams joined Kagod's gentle waters. तापर से माने पुणी जाके भेटिले का संगरे या संगरे यार कागज वाटर संगरे से जो पांचटा स्ट्रीम्स जो यार बाहरला कार तो बड़ भौणी दो सेटा पुणी जाके भेटला यार. To this day people tell the story of the two sisters Kagot and Kayu who once raced against each other ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ଦିନେ ଦୌଡୁଥିଲେ ନିଜ ନିଜ ଭିତରେ ହେଲା ଖେଳୁଥିଲେ each other and who still flowed down from the hills of Shillong to the plains down below. Okay, now ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ତଳକୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ରିଭର ହେଇକି ହେଲା.